Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another monthly subscription from BohemStyle. In case you're interested in this box, I will leave a link for it down there below in the description bar. So let's see what we have. Oh, it's knotted again. Forgot my knife this time. Okay, let's see what we have. Ooh, look at those seed beads. I didn't know they had those seed beads on their site, because I would have bought them if I knew. By the way, this subscription here is pretty awesome. The last month's was out of this world. It was so pretty. I'll post a picture of last month's box now. That was a really fun project. Very gorgeous, unique. I love that so much. And this one, we're going to see what this month here has in store for us. And in case you didn't know, in case you're new to this video, every month I open this box. And what they have on this paper here, when you open it, is a link to a video tutorial showing you how to make the projects in this box. Sometimes it's a necklace and bracelet. Sometimes it's a necklace and earrings. Sometimes it's all three. It just depends on what they come up with, I guess. So let's see what we have. These are beautiful. I did not know they had these seed beads. I have gone on their site so many times and bought their aged Picasso seed beads. They have like stripes and stuff on them. The Picasso finish. But look at those. Those are very pretty. I like those a lot. And then, wow. Wow, that is so gorgeous. I love this starfish. He has blue patina on him. Oh, I can't pick it up. Look at how pretty that is. That's beautiful. And look at these beads here. I want to see how these are going to be used in this project. These triangle beads. I have some triangle beads like this. I got them in another subscription. I think mine were like white with like a gold finish on them, or bronze. But they're very unusual. And I imagine them being hard to weave with, so I think the best thing would probably be to string with those. And that color is epic. I've always loved that color. And let's see what else. Oh, these are pretty. Oh my gosh, are we going to have like an amazing summer themed bracelet? This beautiful blue here. Makes me think of the ocean. And then we have two lobster claw clasps, so it's going to be a necklace and a bracelet, looks like. And two split rings, 6mm. And we have we have crimp beads. And then, what's this? Two 6mm jump rings. And here is bead string wire. There's a lot of wire there. Okay, what else are the beads? There's these here. These are pretty. Table cut. Blue. Those are nice. And then, oh my gosh, those are really cool. I love these. Look at this color. The two-tone. It's my minty turquoisey color. Some people call this mint green. I call it turquoise. It's like a turquoisey color. Those are beautiful. And then these are awesome. I have some beads like this. Not this shape, but this color where it's a clear bead that has the brown lines through it. They're check. I think I have Lucerne bicones that are like this. And some brown beads. Aren't those cool? Very cool. Looks like there's a lot of different colors. These are gorgeous too. I like this. I'm addicted to check beads. They are the best. Isn't that pretty color? There's a lot of rectangle beads here so far. Here's more. Oh my gosh, these might be the ultimate ones. Look at that. There's so many bags in this box. And by the way, I keep all these bags. I recycle them. I think these are my favorite so far. Those are really cool. Okay, what else? What else? Turquoise? Kind of. There's some transparent. See right there? It's clear. These are unique. See, if you look at that one there, it just looks like it's turquoise, right? But see this one, you can see through that bead. See that? That's cool. And I think it's table cut. Yes. I had to look at it from the side. It's the same as these, it's just a different color. You know what? We might have two completely different looking projects. Sometimes they do that. Sometimes they will have a matching set, necklace and bracelet, and then sometimes they'll have two different pieces. They'll have a necklace that has a bracelet that doesn't match it, and I like that they do that. It's neat. Because I'm the same way. Sometimes I like to make matching sets, and sometimes I like to make different pieces. These are so gorgeous. I've used these beads before. These are like check discs. I've used these to make my flowers. I'll put a picture of those up now. That was a very epic project for me. You can go back and watch that tutorial if you want. If you have beads like this in your stash. These are 6mm, by the way. And I've used 6 and 8mm to make those flowers. We are still going. Oh my gosh. Crystal Picasso. Look at how cool. I'm really wondering what this design is going to be like. Those are pretty. Like the purple's throwing me off. I'm wondering if these and these are going to be for maybe a bracelet. And then all the other colors, those might be for the necklace. Here's some more check rectangle table cut beads. These are purple, pale purple, very pale, almost gray. And by the way, if you get this box and there's something in here you love, go to their store and put that product code in and you can reorder this stuff. I've done it before. These are cool. This is called a Azul, I think, this color. I've had this before. It's kind of like a smoky quartz with this neat flashy blue on it. It's not Aurora Borealis, it's something else. I believe they call it Zol. Zol, something like that. And we're still going, y'all. Oh my gosh. Wow. Look at that. Like you have to see it over the white to get the effect of the little, it kind of looks like bubbles, but it's not. The pattern in that bead is beautiful. Very pretty. We're still going. Here are, oh, that color right there, but in triangles. And then here the triangles are again. Look how they're in the bag. How they're sitting like that. Makes me wonder if I can weave them together like that. Because I have some of these in my stash. But there is that chalky blue color. And then what's this? Teardrops. These are epic, so they match these. They're matte. They're pretty small drops. That was amazing. They look so old. They look like they're aged. Love stuff like that. And I should not be dropping these beads. There is so much stuff here. What's next? Turquoise. 2 of these. And I think there is some more triangle beads still left. I wonder if I have this in my stash. I know I have table cut turquoise beads like this. I think mine are square though. Beautiful. I am dying to see what this project is gonna be. And I'm running out of space. Good thing this is the last bag because I don't have much space left. Wow, these are cool. The triangle beads again, but they are 3-colored, clear, blue, and purple. Look at that. So there's those, and there's purple triangles here, and then there's blue triangles. There's a lot of stuff here. I'm excited to make this. I love all these colors. And it's nice to see some of the things they have on their site, so I can go back and make orders if I want to. So this is it, and remember, I will have a picture at the beginning of this video and the end of what all of these look like put together in the drawer, because after I film this, either tonight or the next day, I will do the projects, put them together, take pictures, and I will put the picture at the beginning and end of this video so you guys can see what you're getting. So yeah, this is it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, I will leave a link for the BohemStyle monthly subscription down there below. Click on the link, it'll take you to the subscription, and you can buy and get this same subscription that I have right here. So please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure you click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos, and check me out on my social media sites. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Thanks for watching.